I was down, but now I'm
Yeah, she had to go
It's all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
Better believe I got eyes on me.
Built on family, fueled by dirt. Welcome to the Zaugg Motorsports YouTube channel.
Keep on pushing. I'll give it all my mind. I'm gonna fight. Keep on pushing. I'm never backing down. Close the blinds, let's pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do. Sometimes you gotta stay in, and you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Sometimes you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Welcome to my house, play that music too loud. Show me what you do now.
What are we doing, buddy? Hey, what are we doing?
I've got that lightning inside
Go.
me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising on just your watch. I'm stepping into fate. There is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
Shut it off.
This is how legends
What are we doing?
are made.
You're gonna have to talk louder now. What are you doing right now? What you doing? What are you getting ready to do? Oh, right now. What? Not yet.
This is how legends are made. Like iron from the fire, getting stronger. This is how legends are made. Above it all, untouchable. A new era. This is how legends are made.
What happened? You drove so fast the chain fell off? Is what?
This is how legends.
Were you on the gas in the air on the big jump?
Yeah, by accident.
Yeah?
They have to change it to dirt.
No, you need to get off the gas in the air. I thought you blew the trans again.
This is how legends
Broke her
are
chain.
made.
Well, I don't know, it's gone. She broke it. Gone.
This is how legends are
How come when Grandma's talking on the radio, you don't talk to him? That should mean you should be able to hear him.
legends are made.
We're down to the goal. Never been a better time
How did it feel though for the one lap?
to put it all on.
Feel fast? Well, you only got one lap on the clock. You only got one lap on the clock. Because your time didn't start until you come all the way around and hit the start finish line. How'd the car feel though?
Dude, I just knew.
Listen, look at me. Before you broke, how did the car feel? Fast? Slow? How to handle the jump? How'd it feel in the corners? Talk to me.
It was pretty scary.
What? You weren't full throttle all the way, were you?
I was.
Your sister passed you the first turn.
Yeah, I passed one car.
Did it feel like the tires helped though? Like your grip's a lot better? Yeah.
Dad, will I move for the main race tomorrow? Will I move? Like I will.
Yeah, it depends on how you finish in the first race. Love you.
I mean, here's the exciting one. Our dirt bike will be done.
How you feel?
Good.
Did you miss your race car?
What?
Did you miss your race car?
Yes.
It's been a long time since you've been back in it, huh? Man, Zaylee, look at you're running so fast, you're pulling rubber off.
If you're still watching, can you help us out and hit that subscribe button for Zaylee and Zadie? Now back to the video.
How did I not step up?
I almost thought about not letting you go that last lap just because your fastest lap was your 4th or 5th lap. But you qualified 6th, babe, out of 9 cars. Hey. I think it's the first time you've qualified your sister, isn't it?
What did Sissy get?
9? She only got 1 lap.
1 lap?
Yeah, how did it feel? You were so close to clearing that whole bridge jump, too. Is that a hard landing?
No.
The car feels good, though, with the new shocks on it? Feels fast? I think we got to clean up your corners a little bit and you'll get a lot faster. But hey, you shaved almost from lap 1 to your fastest lap. You shaved almost 10 seconds off.
10.
Yeah, so you did pretty good. You got under 2 seconds or 2 minutes. I'm sorry. Hey, come tell your fans something.
Like what?
Look at the camera.
Stay positive
Go fast.
and go fast.
Love you, kid.
Love you, kids.
There you go. Excited? Little Missy, I'm gonna wake everybody up in the camp this morning by throwing up and being sick, but still gonna get in that race car, aren't you?
Take a lap around Lucas Oil Speed with me. Okay, we're going through the first jump, go through turn 1. Okay, now let's hit the turn 2. Okay, that was a really good turn. Okay, means let's go through the second jump, I think. Yeah, okay, now we're going through the Daytona. Okay, the Daytona is like a little long though, but it's fun. And okay, now we're going through the little jump. Okay, now let's hit the big tabletop. Okay, you gotta let it off there where you don't break the trans. Okay, now we're going through turn 4. Okay, now let's go through the big bridge dump. See how close I am to just finishing that tabletop. Okay, turn 5. Okay, now let's go through the bumps. Oh, now let's go turn 6. Okay, now let's hit the jump. Okay, that was really cool. Okay, now turn 7, and now we're going through turn 8. And you do not want to get in that mud right there. Okay, now let's go under the bridge. Okay, now let's go through the big turn, the 9th turn. Okay, now let's hit the last jump. Okay, guys, that's a lap around Lucas Oil Speedway with Zadie's vlog. Bye.
Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now.
Hi everyone, this is Zaylee Zaugg speaking to you. So was my race last weekend at Lucas Oil Speedway. I was out there racing, feeling good, just doing my thing, pushing hard. Then coming up here, this is where it all changed. I ended up flipping my race car my first time ever. I want to say thank you to the track crew for getting me so fast and making sure I was okay. Thank you to my dad, always making us wear all the safety equipment to keep me safe. It all happened really fast, and honestly, felt like a roller coaster. I even put my hands up for a second. Right after it happened, I did cry a little, but mostly because I was in shock. It was just such a crazy moment. The best part is my race car didn't have any major damage, so I was able to get back out there and finish racing. That's racing.
I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline. Put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose. Didn't need a permit. Did it from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business.
Come on, get in there. There you go. Well, keep up now, folks. You gotta go legs first. Yeah, legs first. Don't break my camera. Holy cow, she fits.
I don't. So the halo is digging into my back. I can't sit back.
Yeah, we can always raise that up. Your head hit the ceiling too. You wouldn't be able to put a helmet on.
Hold on.
I don't think you can do that mountain race.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you stretch these out, I can get in.
But this is going to be your chest, isn't it?
Yeah, she had to go with a shorter one.
You got 1 2 inches shorter.
Fully fit.
I'm ready. Let's go.
She fit better now than she did a couple years ago.
I can actually hit the gas and the brake.
Built on family, fueled by dirt. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel.
I'll give it all my might. I'm gonna fight. Keep